So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to use mouse events in JavaScript in HTML using the JavaScript. So in the previous video we have discussed and practiced about the keyboard events. Now in this video we will see that how the mouse events works, okay, by using an example. So you can see on the screen that I have created two files. First one HTML style for CSS and then script for JavaScript, okay. So first of all, let me create an empty template for it, and here we can say that mouse events using JavaScript. Okay, now we will include our CSS. Done. Now here finally we will include our JavaScript. Here scripter.js. Done. Now we will need to reload the page so it will get reflected on the website also. Okay, yeah. So here it's got reflected. Now first of all we will create an container, okay, which will be called as, okay, we will create an container which having a name, which having a class of mouse, okay. So let me create a container. Done. Now inside this container which is mouse, we will create a pre-tag, okay. So inside this pre-tag our mouse events get reflected, okay. So for that we are creating it. So we are done with this HTML. Now we need to go inside our CSS. So now in CSS we will first align the body, flex, then the flex direction column, then align items center, then margin top. We will take 200 pixel, okay. So it will be aligning in the center of the page, okay. Done. Now we will do the CSS for our mouse container. Width, then height also the same. Then we will give the border. So border having a width of 2.5 pixel solid and having a color red, okay. So you can see that we have created a container, a box. Now here display again flex direction center, okay, column. Done. Then again align items center. So whatever inside this mouse container will get in the center, okay. Justify content, we will give again center. So all the content inside this mouse container will get in the center by using this. Then we will select the font size as 30 pixel, okay. Then finally border radius for only styling, this is not mandatory, 50 pixel, okay. Done. Now when we hover over this mouse container, it should be with some shadow, so for that I am giving 30 pixel, okay. Done. So you can see that when I am hovering over this mouse container it gets bordering, okay, shadowing some like that. Now we are done with our CSS also. Now the main, we will go with our JavaScript. So inside the JavaScript we will create mouse events list, okay. So the first one for the mouse down event, okay. Again let select, sorry, again here we will select mouse class. So when our mouse is over the, so this means when our mouse is over this mouse container, okay. So we want to fire a mouse down event. So yeah, so when this mouse down event happens, okay, so when we press the mouse key, when we press and hold the mouse key, it should be shown as a message like mouse is down, okay. So let me show. Hmm. You can see here, okay. So when I press, it gets printed on that, okay, mouse down, okay. So it's working. Again, let me copy it. Now the next one is the mouse up event. Okay, so instead of this mouse down, we will make it mouse up event. Okay, so here you can see that when I press the mouse button, it will show us a message like mouse is down. Okay, and when I release the mouse key, it will show us mouse up. Okay, so in this way it works. Now the third one is mouse enter. Okay, mouse enter event. Okay, so when the mouse enter inside this mouse container, okay, it will show us, it will get printed with the mouse enter event. Okay, so here we will change mouse enter as an event. Okay, here also we need to change mouse enter. Done. So you can see that we are getting mouse enter, right? Here when I hold the mouse button, it shows mouse down. When I release the mouse button, it shows mouse up. Then when I came inside this mouse container, it will show us mouse is enter. Okay, so in this way we can do it. Now the next one is that mouse leaving. Okay, mouse leaving event. So when the mouse leaves this mouse container, it should be printed mouse leave as a message. Okay, so let me show you. When I enter inside this mouse container, it will show us mouse enter, and when we leave this mouse container, it will show us mouse leave. Okay, mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse enter, mouse leave, in this way. Now the next will be mouse single click. Okay, when we click a single time, it will show us. Okay, so in the place of event we will mention click, and here we want to print single click. Okay, mouse enter. Okay, so when I uh, when I press the button on the mouse single time, it will show us single click. Okay, so in this way this single click event will do it. Mouse double click. Okay, now the next one is for the mouse double click. So here we will mention an event double click. Okay, double click, mouse enter, mouse leave, then mouse down. When I release this single click. Okay, so when we double tap the mouse, okay, so it will show us mouse click. When I single tap this, it will show single click. When I hold the mouse button, it will show mouse down. Okay, so we can temporarily disable a single click as well. So let me show you. uh, so here when we hold the mouse button, it will show us mouse down. When we release the mouse button, it will show us mouse up. Okay, so in this way, when we double click it, it will show double click. So in this way it works. So hope guys you have been enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video.